Hi, my name is Crystal Pepper. I got the Ultra 2, and this is the unboxing. That is slick. That is slick.
It's a little bit different than our previous watches, how those were boxed, right?
Yes. Oh.
More, it's not as long, but it's wider. What do you think?
I like it. It feels heavier than my previous watch.
You like the color?
Yes, I like the color.
What do you think of that band?
The band is interesting. See how I like it as a right hand watch wearer, and I'm right-handed. So, yeah, see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace and love.